Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again, and in today's video I am going to be discussing certain products that some of you guys might not know when to use, why do they exist, when you should use them, why you should use them, such as hair masks, protein treatments, deep conditioners, overnight treatments, etc. And then I'm going to show you guys, well, not really, I'm just going to show you how I apply my protein treatment and why I do protein treatment and all that kind of good stuff. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. So the purpose of today's video is kind of to do a continuation of what I've already started in my last two videos, which is to kind of go back to the basics because the channel is growing. Yay! So we have new subscribers and some of them might just be starting on their natural hair journey. So I think just explaining certain things, because I know, I'm not gonna lie you guys, but like my lips are looking very ashy, but I'm not gonna lie you guys, but like I sit here and I teach you guys about natural hair. I discover my own, as I'm going through this journey, and my little sisters sometimes don't know when they're supposed to use like a hair mask. They always come to me and I'm just like, it's been a while since you've done a protein treatment. Just like grab one of those products and like, do a protein treatment. They're like, why should I do it, when and why, what's the purpose of it? So I think they're not the only ones, who do not know certain things, and I think I just want to take it back to basics and not overwhelm you, but teach you in an effective way so that even in the future you can understand why you should be using these products, when you should be using it, the purpose of them, the benefits of them. So I am going to be using a protein treatment. I'm going to be using Ode to the Motherland's protein treatment. This is a strengthening hair mask. I know it sounds very similar to this one. This is my sheer moisture one. This is one I can find in stores, readily available. And then we're also going to be talking about hair treatments. This is Botanics hemp seed oil overnight moisturizing and strengthening treatment. So most treatments, you're supposed to leave them overnight, okay? And it will say overnight. And then I'm also going to discuss when you should use this, why you should use it, the purpose of it, and the benefits of it. And then I also brought a deep conditioner. I know this one is like a bit obvious, but I think some people maybe might not know the difference between a 3-minute conditioner and a deep conditioner, and I think that's the few things I want to clarify in today's video as well. So I brought as an example the Untitled Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner, and then that is it. So we're going to discuss protein treatment, overnight treatments, or rather just treatments as a whole. We're also going to touch on deep conditioners and then hair masks, when you should use them, why you should use them, the purpose of them, the benefits of them. So let's get right into it. So I am starting on freshly washed hair. I am going to be first remisting my hair to ensure that I am working on heavily damp hair, so that the product applies smoothly. And anytime you want to make sure that a product is actually great, if you apply it and your hair is nice and soaking wet and it doesn't provide you with slip, I think you might need to try a different product. So as mentioned, I am going to be doing a protein treatment, and I'm going to be using Ode to the Motherland's milk tea strengthening mask. And the reason why I love this product so much, because it has hydrolyzed protein in it. So when should I use a protein treatment, Tshidi? Why should I use it, and what are the benefits of this? Okay, when you should use a protein treatment, I would say please use this once a month, right? Why should you use this? Because a protein treatment is designed to add strength and resilience to damaged hair by attaching hydrolyzed proteins directly to the hair follicles. I have spent quite some time with this product. I've dedicated a video onto this product. I'll link it above so you guys can watch all of that, and I go through the ingredient list. This product has amazing organic products that are also certified. Any product from Ode to the Motherland, know that it's a certified organic product and it's great for your hair. And then, my hair is already changing from just applying the product before even adding heat to it, which is the other thing. Look at my coils. Do you guys see that? And this is just from shampooing alone, all right? So anytime, if you're going to be using like a harsh protein treatment like Afro-G or whatever, you have to follow that up with a deep conditioner, just so that you can, restore moisture back into your hair. So let us move on to why you should use a deep conditioner. And when you should use it, you're going to be using a deep conditioner after every single wash day. So after you shampoo your hair, you're going to apply a deep conditioner. Obviously, deep conditioners can be applied at different stages of your wash day process. For example, if you're going to be using a heavy or harsh protein treatment, I would suggest that after you rinse that out, you follow it up with a deep conditioner like this one. This is one from Jackie's, and I've loved this deep conditioner, and I've dedicated an entire video on the specific deep conditioner. So why should I use a deep conditioner, and what does it do for my hair? So a deep conditioner contributes to reducing breakage and split ends and improves your hair health. Okay, not just that, but it also adds moisture to your hair. And I would suggest that, again, make sure that your hair has enough water in it so that you can get the most out of the product and you can get your money's worth. And with all of the products that I'm going to be discussing today, they must change your hair. You must feel like a new person. Your hair must feel like, you know, Beyonce after this. Because if your hair doesn't feel like Beyonce, then there's something wrong. Then I suggest that you use a different product. So because then it's kind of like pointless. You get what I mean? So for me, I will always suggest and recommend good products that have worked for my hair. And if they don't, you guys always know that I come back to tell you that I really didn't like this product for X amount of reason. So that is it with deep conditioning. You're going to be using a deep conditioner every wash day all the time, okay? And then let us move on to a overnight treatment. So overnight treatment, there's a little bit of like, you know, debate around it, because some people believe that you shouldn't leave an overnight treatment on your hair for too long, because you kind of like stand the risk of getting high growth fatigue, which just means when you have excessive water in your hair and you kind of suffering from over moisture, you know what I mean? So for me, I would say with overnight treatments, kind of apply them when you feel like your hair needs something really intense. The beauty about this specific one that I just showed you guys from Botanics, this is the overnight strengthening treatment. You can use it as a deep conditioner. So sometimes I don't really always need to use it as an overnight treatment. I do those very seldomly, maybe like once or twice or 3 times maximum in a year, where I will leave a treatment that is large amounts of it is water. I actually prefer to leave things such as oils in my hair overnight, because I know that's not going to cause any stress for my hair. Then let us move on to hair masks. What are hair masks? When should I use hair masks? What are the importance of it and all that kind of good stuff? Hair masks, I would suggest that you use them every second wash day. The reason for this is because hair masks are designed to provide intense moisture and deeply nourish your hair, and they also have like insanely nourishing ingredients in them. This one is from Sheer Moisture. This is their strengthening treatment. I love this treatment because it has shea butter. It is nice and thick. My hair loves it, especially when my hair is like absolutely like soaking wet. My hair just soaks this up, okay? And it has insane slip. So please make sure anytime you're going to be using any of these products that I've mentioned above, that you use heat, because if you don't use heat, you're kind of losing out on, like, I would say 30% of what the product can actually do. This is me after my hooded dryer section. I have put heat in my hair and my hair is looking very happy. I'm very happy with the results. As you guys can tell, I'm all smiley, and this is how the rest of my hair looks like. So I'm also going to show you the individual strands, because that is what a protein treatment does. It actually ensures that your hair is intensely like repaired, replenished, all the kind of good stuff for each and every single strand. It does like this insane micro focus on your hair, to the point whereby your hair just cannot do much but accept the protein, because it is going to change your hair. Protein is gonna, like, for example, as mentioned, is going to add shine. It's going to fix your hair. If you've done a protein treatment and your hair does not look like Beyonce, then there's something wrong. Then I suggest that you use something else. If you want to try, definitely go to Ode to the Motherland's website, pick up milk tea, and DM me the results, DM me your reaction, because I can tell you now that you're gonna love it. All right, so for me, that is kind of it from my side. You guys can tell that my coils are happy, and even after I rinse this product out, because I've used it like 3 times now or twice, I'm not sure, my hair is still like intensely like moisturized. It leaves like a very healthy film around my hair, and it carries me until my next wash day, and my hair doesn't look as dry and as dull and as sad, you know, and it's like super pitch black. And that's how I know my hair is super healthy. And you guys can tell also my hair is definitely improved. My OGs know that my hair never used to look like this. But yeah, so that is it from me, you guys. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Also, again, I just want to apologize for not being consistent, but we will have a chit chat about that. But for now, I'll see you in my next one, and bye for now.